Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing both clips, your subject footage and the replacement background. You need tight, evenly lit green footage to get a clean key. Uneven light creates color spill. Once done, export both files as MP4 or MOV with H.264 and upload them to YouTube Studio. Make sure your subject is framed with space around edges. That margin prevents halos when YouTube processes the green screen. Now open YouTube Studio and create a new video or edit an existing upload to access. You now perform the keying step inside YouTube's editor. Select your foreground clip, then choose the replace background or green screen option and use the eyedropper to sample the exact green tone. This gives YouTube a precise target. Next, increase tolerance gradually until the green is gone but skin tones remain natural. Then adjust edge feathering and spill suppression to remove green fringing. If the editor offers contrast or brightness tweaks, make subtle changes so the subject blends convincingly with the new background. Finish by rendering the edited video and reviewing the full export at 1080p or higher to catch artifacts and flicker. If you see persistent green edges, reduce tolerance slightly and boost spill suppression. If that fails, relight the original shoot or reshoot with less reflective clothing. For banding or jagged mats, export a higher bitrate source and re-upload because compression can ruin keys. One key troubleshooting tip: when nothing helps, replace the background with a solid neutral plate and mask manually in dedicated editing software.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.